Hello, I'm Mark from Whisper Pumps. I'm going to be talking you through our range of water level alarms, which are available individually and also complete with float switches and power supply options. We have three primary models. We have the basic model, which requires a 240 volt power supply. We have the battery backup version of the same panel, which, as the name implies, has a battery backup feature. And we also have a more advanced GSM model, which will actually connect to your mobile phone and send you notifications in the event of any activities that the panel is doing. This is the panel in its powered on phase. As you can see, we've got blue indicator light to indicate the panel is powered and raring to go. Depending on how the panel and float switch has been configured, in the event of an alarm, the panel will indicate the alarm with a red flashing light on the panel and also a loud audible beacon. All our float switches can be wired in dual action, which means that they can either set off the alarm when the water level is high or activate the alarm when the water level is low. This gives you great options for both tank filling and tank emptying. We have a wide range of float switch options available for purchase. The standard float switch is suitable for water and general liquids. The orange float switch we have here is primarily used for diesel fuels. It is also very suitable if the water or liquid needing to be pumped is aggressive. Our biggest float here is designed for sewage. The extra mass and weight within the sewage float enables it to operate perfectly well when the water becomes very saturated with solids and matter. So on the front of the panel, we also have a button for testing. This will actually test the functions of the panel and make sure that everything is working as expected. One of the other functions on the front of the panel you will see here is a mute button. So the alarm is sounding. You don't want to hear the alarm anymore because you know there is a problem. That's what this mute button is for here, as such demonstrated. So now the issue can be resolved without you having to hear the alarm. This is the internals of our GSM panel. And as we can see, we have an incoming power supply, we have a float switch connection, we have the backup battery, and we also have a rather useful connection where a remote beacon or alarm can be fitted. This enables the user to be able to have something a little bit more visible when line of sight is not available.